I presented the thing! Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video today. Not only are you going to get an unboxing of a new product, I'm going to be trying it out right over there. But you won't like see me over there. I'll just magically. Anyway, this one is interesting. So this first reaction, by the way, because I haven't seen it, so I'm gonna open it. I did buy this myself from Amazon, and okay, that's what it looks like. So if you didn't see the title, I mean, it's the Sega Genesis 16-bit video entertainment system Mini. The Sega Genesis Mini. You joined the 16-bit revolution. Back in the 1880s when I was younger, I never owned or played a Sega Genesis. And if they came out in the 90s, then I'm more of an idiot because I didn't play it in the 1890s either. So yeah, my family was an Atari family and then a Nintendo family. I never got to experience Sonic until much, much later. Matter of fact, I didn't play Sonic until Xbox 360 Sonic. And you know which one I'm talking about. The one that everybody was like, what's this? That's the Sonic I grew up with. 40 classic games, 2 bonus titles. That's the back. Go ahead and pause that if you want to just see all that. Oh, so they gave you... I'll be dropping a lot of stuff here probably. So, I'll open those in just a second. Oh, aren't you a little cutie? Cutie patootie. Looking really cool. So it has on and off. It has volume here. A reset button. I'm assuming those are all real because you're able to move them. Has HDMI out on the back. Well, I'm gonna have to really get out the way for you to see that. Okay, HDMI out on the back. And it has the micro USB. I'm not gonna say this is my first time holding a Sega because I believe I might have played something at a friend's house, but as far as being in my house, yeah, this is the first time. And I forgot the layout. I didn't know it was ABC because that's easy as 1, 2, 3. You know, like do re mi, ABC, 1, 2, 3, you and me, girl. And so there's 2 of those. You get an HDMI cord, which is very nice that they put in the box. I think they all do that though, but it's just nice that they don't just assume you have an HDMI cord. So I already have one set up for my demo, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. You have a power brick, which again, very convenient. I'm not sure if the other ones did that. How about real quick, I go get the other mini consoles and I'll just show you what the difference is. Okay, so it looks like I had 2 controllers for everyone except this original Nintendo. This one came with 1, so that's the Nintendo Entertainment System. And just side to side comparison. I'm not sure that really does anything, but somebody's gonna ask. Super NES. Yeah, Super NES. I'm tired. And then I brought the, now for 1 penny, if you just walk into GameStop, they'll just give you one. The PS1, which it wasn't called PS1, but yeah, there's the Sony system. I feel so bad. I'm gonna go set this up and I'll meet you over there. I don't know any of these games. Okay, sorry. Let's go to settings first, just so I can see. Please read before playing. I ain't doing that. So look at I'm trying to see the difference. This is really loud in my head. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Okay. So let's see. Oh, so I can have the original. I can have them stretch it out. Oh, those only 2. I'll keep it original. Yeah. Okay. So we'll go back. And let's see, wallpaper settings. Oh, so you can choose the different. I'll keep it as is. Okay. So you can see, you can reset the factory settings. Sure, maybe there's some memory things in here. Okay, we already did this. Okay, go back. Okay, so, so you can sort by release date or A to Z. Let's do, or genre. Ooh, or number of players. You know what? Okay, let's do release date because it's probably important to you. I would do ABC for me because it doesn't matter. But how many games did this thing say it had? 40. Okay, so let's go through some of them. I'll try a couple, but this is mainly for you to see. So Alex Kidd, I guess, was the first one. I don't have. Okay, I have to click it because it's like, all right, 1989. I wasn't even born. I'm lying. I was just saying I was in 1889. Okay. During gameplay, hold start to. I should read what it is. Alex Kidd, master of rock, paper, scissors, and kung fu, stars in this action game on a frightening planet where losing a rock, paper, scissors means death. Alex Kidd must earn money, buy vehicles, and explore the world. Okay. Oh. Alex! I know so many Alexes. Oh, they're gonna say C and D. He wouldn't touch this. Okay, and the China cat. What race are you? It doesn't matter. It's 1989. It probably did matter back then. Okay, that's jump. That's hit. Okay. Okay, so you get some. Can I hit the car? Oh, I can. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, okay, that blocks him from coming in here. Get my coins. Mark. This is so cute. Ah! Okay. Guys, I'm not supposed to show you 40 games, but I'm liking this. Hold on. Wait, how do you get up? Was I supposed to use the car to jump up there? So let me just... Get back here. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna use this controller as a trip. Why he go to heaven? I presented the thing! You know what? Next. No. How do I go back? Where's the menu button to go back? Oh, is it the reset button? I bet it is. Okay, then I can save or go return to the main menu. Okay, so there's a reset button. I showed you that already on the console. So now, and I like that you can save your progress. You could never do that back in the day on any console. All right, Altered Beast. I just wanted to try. I'm not gonna try every game. We're gonna be here all day. It just interests me. I'll jump in. Actually, no, Ghouls and Ghosts. I don't remember playing that one. Golden Axe. What does that say? Columns. Toe Jam and Earl. I have definitely heard of. We've heard of Sonic. I know you want to see how Sonic plays. You shouldn't. You want to see me get embarrassed myself, right? Because I really have never played Sonic on. I actually have never played it on here. I know they got a Sonic reboot thing on all the new consoles. I have it. I have not played it yet. So, yeah. Hey. What? Okay. Jump. What are you supposed to? Okay, hold on. Embarrassing myself here. Okay. Oh, look at. I'm already pro. MLG. I should be in the Sonic League right now. All right. Forget Ash and winning the Pokemon League. I should be in Sonic League. Look how fast I'm going. It's 16-bit graphics. Woo! Whoa. Okay, you know, no. We gotta do that again. MLG, let's go. Okay, you know what? You disappoint me, Sonic. You disappoint me. There we go. Is there a way to speed up, or are you just gonna? Okay. Oh. Like, you know what? For 16-bit, they really nailed the fastness of this. Is that a word? The quickness. Like, I feel like I'm flying. Woo! I know I missed like everything, but I'm kind of digging Sonic. I don't know. I like that. Okay, we'll go. Okay, I am not doing this again. Okay. Well, how about I save that one? Can I save? Yeah, we'll save that one so I can go back, because I was so MOG there. Make sure. Okay. So now you see how to save and then return to the main menu. Yep. All right, let's see what else. We got Toe Jam and Earl, Wonder Boy, Alicia, it's a black chick. Sorry, I knew a girl named Alicia. Dragoon, Kid Chameleon, the Super Fantasy Zone. So if I can't read them on the cover, I'm reading them down here. Oh, Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Okay. Echo the Dolphin, I've heard of that. Road Rash 2, have not heard of that. Streets of Rage. Okay, I gotta jump in real quick. I have played this, but it was on my Xbox 360, I think, in the arcade. If I'm wrong, correct me, but I remember my friend would come over. We would play Streets of Rage around in like 2000, in the 2006, 7, 8, somewhere around there, because he was a big fan of it. I don't want to read all that. I just want to play. Okay, yeah, one player. I don't have a lot. I don't have no friends. That one friend I talk about, that's it. Okay. I gotta get skate because, you know, that's the brother. Seriously. Oh, you gotta hit start for everything. Okay, I gotta get used to that. I'm keep hitting A. Oh, yeah. Okay, so jump. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ooh. I was actually not terrible at this game. I like Double Dragon better because I guess I played that more. I think Double... Okay, I'm going wrong. Oh, I forgot you can grab. Can C do anything? I guess he can. Oh! Oh, snap. Okay. Hold up. Hey! I'm invincible. I'm spitting everywhere. Okay. All right. I just want to get a little taste. Yeah, okay. I love this game. Oh, I'm about to see you later because I press C. Sorry. Okay, and I got killed in it. Okay, I'll stop there. I want a little taste. A little taste. That's all. Okay, what else we got? World of Illusion. Oh, this is a Disney game on here. Okay. Shining Force, Gunstar Heroes, Shinobi, Shinobi 3. Okay, and Street Fighter is on here. Oh, Hadouken! I never played with these buttons before. This is so weird. Okay, that's hit. What's jump? Oh, okay. Ah! Okay, so that's short, medium, and oh, okay, I got it. Okay, once you know the buttons, I think. Hold on. Come on! Haven't used a D-pad in a minute. Oh, come on, Charlie! Charlie, stop it! Oh. Shut up. Let's see. Landstalker, Sonic Spinball, Dr. Robotnik, Eternal Champions. I've heard of that. Castlevania, Bloodlines, Contra, Hard Cops. They got some good games. Like I'm not gonna sit and say I've played all of these because I just told you I haven't. But I'm familiar with a lot of the titles and what people have said about them, especially like someone like Gerard, the Completionist. He's talked about a lot of these games. Earthworm Jim, I actually remember. Mega Man, of course. Mega Man's like the hardest series in the world. Fantasy Star. Oh, okay. Beyond Oasis, Light Crusader. Did I miss saying one? Probably did. Heedy. Yeah, I missed that Heedy. Comic Zone, Vector Man. Is Vector Man like the cousin of Mega Man? I don't know anything. Virtual Fighter. I didn't play Virtual Fighter till 6 or 7. Monster World. Oh, I'm used to playing Monster Hunter. So I was like, wait a minute. Darius. Hey, Tetris. I just talked about Tetris. Oh, that's the end. Okay, so those are the 40 games. It's 42, and they did say there was 2 bonus games, right? So the 2 bonus titles is Darius and Tetris. So those are the bonus. Why didn't they just say 42 games? Maybe it's marketing. Whatever. Guys, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you all later. Bye!